Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the ultimate breakout system expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is a daily breakout robot designed for catching strong moves on assets like EURUSD, and it promises clean entries with smart filters, and the signal looks impressive, but I ran my own test to see what it actually delivers, so ensure you watch till the end to get the full picture and the breakdown of this expert advisor. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, according to the developer Profile Go Limited, they are quite popular, very popular on the MQ5 community, with 4 stars out of 5 from 978 ratings. They have 27 products, 26 signals, and lots of reviews and comments from traders who have used this expert advisor. This expert advisor goes for $1,499 US. And these are some set files for the expert advisor, all published by the developer, the Profile Go, a member of the Profile Go management. And talking about the ultimate breakout, what's it about? According to the developer, it identifies breakout from support and resistance levels or volatility setups. It uses ATR and candle strength filters to only take high probability moves. We have the strong candles that deviate enough from average range, so it takes trades based on that, and entries via pending stop orders placed slightly beyond recent highs or lows, and it supports both breakout support and resistance and volatility modes. The system includes high-low trailing stops and break-even protection, optional grid for recovery, and extensive filters for spread. The grid is optional. You can choose to turn it on or off depending on what you want, depending on your risk appetite. We also have news events like interest rates and CPI plus trading time zones. All of these are marketed as low drawdown, and it works on multiple symbols, especially gold, on daily time frame. It's recommended, and with tools for prop firms, it also does promises consistent growth, but we'll check all of that out. They have a signal. They claim to have a signal here running, but the signal just takes us to the comment page, so you don't really get any signals from. Okay, let's check this. But there are no signals from the developer about the ultimate breakout, so all we can rely on is the backtest numbers, which they promise. See if they have backtest numbers. These are several equity curves which they are showing us from their backtest. Alright, this is what their live signal actually looks like. They took a screenshot of it, even though it's no more available on the MQ5 community for us to see. We have profit of $1,471 from, I think this is a gain of 72% from a $2,000 deposit, so that's almost 100%. And these are the USD JPY scalping live. We have 43%. So all of this are some of the numbers which they showcase, but for the features and for the settings, they highlight settings like ATR periods. We also have deviation factors. We have extra pips, offsets. We have max open trades, often 1. We have the trailing stop loss. We have the news filters that close or pause during events. We have the grid parameters if you want averaging. That's if you want averaging. And also we have the info panel for monitoring, and we have the auto settings and risk controls like the max lots and equity protection. It's positioned as a professional adaptable breakout system for both manual oversight and automated trading. Now I tested it on EURUSD on the daily time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 with $10,000 starting deposit, and total net profit was around $140 with a profit factor of 2.81 and max drawdown of a tiny 0.34% on equity and 0.21% on balance. The win rate was about 53% with 45 trades in total. The equity curve trends upwards steadily with very shallow dips. Remember, we are testing this on the daily time frame, so it's expected to have this type of result. And this is a modest result, but it confirms the low risk profile which was marketed by the developers. And the features that actually mattered are the ATR deviation, like I said, and the candle filters that kept entries very selective. Also, the news filters probably helped avoid trouble, like the NFP. We have the NFP here, and there's also the CPI, which you can enable. You can enable or disable it. It has lots of filters here. We also have the daily filters too, and we have the single trade limit, and the trailing also kept drawdown minimal. The thing is, daily breakouts on gold don't happen every day, so activity is low, but it's quality focused. And indeed, we can see the quality in the results: slow and steady upward move in the equity curve also. Yeah, overall this is impressive. And talking about my verdict, this is a well filtered daily breakout expert advisor with strong risk controls that delivers what it promises in calm testings. My nuances will include dependence on trending conditions and patience during flat periods, but the implications will mean that it has excellent workings for low drawdown portfolios, but it won't make you rich overnight. Yeah, that's a fact. It's for patient traders or prop firm traders who want stability on gold, and I would say you should avoid it if you need frequent trades or you can't wait for setups. Now test this on demo across different periods and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like this video if this real tests help you out, and subscribe for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe out there.